Welcome back to Cheap Tech Reviews. Today is an unboxing on the iPhone XS Max. However, this is not a cheap unboxing. And before I unbox this device, I just want y'all to know that this is not a cheap unboxing. And I do not recommend this phone. This is just a gift for myself. I mean, I had the choices between the Samsung Galaxy Note 9 and the iPhone XS Max, and I choose to get this phone because I am pro iPhone now. Like, I mean, I dealt with Android for a long period in my life, and it just seems like ever since I switched to Apple, I just been with Apple ever since. This is just a gift for me that I bought for myself. This is not a phone that I recommend to anyone because of the price. Okay, this is the gold version, and it is the 256 gigabyte. Okay, I just want to just do the unboxing on my channel, but other than that, like I don't recommend this phone to anybody. Let me take this sticker off right quick, y'all. But like I said, this is not a phone that I recommend to anyone. Okay? So let me just go on and get started with the unboxing of this device. Okay. Okay, before I do the unboxing, give me 1 second, y'all. Now, I do have the glass screen protector right here, which is the Max Boost. And I do have a little cheap case that I ordered on Amazon that I will be installing. I won't do an unboxing for those. So, let me just go on and get started with the unboxing. Okay. Okay, this is, your Apple stickers, your books, and y'all know what all of that is. All right. Okay, this is the phone, the gold. Ooh, that is so beautiful. That is beautiful. Okay, let me set that to the side. Okay. Now you do have your headphones. All right. Your lightning cable. Okay. And you have your power brick. Okay. So we're gonna put this back. Put this back. And put this back. I'm so glad that it just came into, and this is the phone. I'm gonna do the first boot up, and y'all would not probably see any more videos about this phone. All right. Okay, maybe that's not the power. Oh, it's over here on the side. Sorry, guys. Okay, there we go. That's the. I'm gonna boot it up, and I'm gonna go and get this device set up. I just wanted to just do an unboxing on it because, you know what I'm saying, I just got it, and I'm very, very, very excited about having this phone. So, I mean, yes, I'm so happy that I was able to get my hands on it, y'all. Y'all just don't know how happy I am to get my hands on this device. But like I said, I do not recommend this device because of the price. It's about $1,300, $1,200 and something dollars I spent on this phone. So do not, I repeat, I do not recommend this phone to nobody because of the price. Yes, I do have the 256 gigabyte, and I just wanted to, I'm actually coming from the iPhone 7 Plus, which is the phone that I'm recording with. And like I said, man, like, I needed this upgrade. Like I said, it was either gonna be the Samsung Galaxy Note 9 or the X Max, the S Max, and I choose to get the iPhone XS Max. So because I'm such a iPhone head now, so yeah, man, that'll be the end of this video. And please hit that like and subscribe to my channel. I still have the full review of the Blue Vivo XL4 coming up soon, which is another awesome device. And that's actually what is, inspired me to get this device as well. Okay, so y'all keep y'all head up, man. God bless you all, man. Please hit that like and subscribe to my channel. God bless you all, man, and peace.